Okay, language explorers. So let's look at today's Tuesday verb. So aim. Aim. To target something. Aim. Aim. I aim to be a teacher. I aim to grow the channel. I aim to help people master English and discover the world. Yeah, how cool is that? So I aim, we could say I aim down the scope. Yeah, it's possible. I aim down the scope. Very good. I aim to be a teacher. I aim to record more lessons. Very good. I aim to learn more Spanish. Yes, I'm aiming to learn more Spanish. I'm aiming to travel to Spain and Mexico. How cool is that? Your aims were very accurate. Yeah. My aims are big. Your aims are growing. Your aims, your goals, the things you're aiming for. Aiming to do this, aiming to do that. Aiming to do this? No. Aiming to do that? No. Aiming to do this. Yes. I'm aiming to do a lot of things. I'm aiming to arrive there by 11 a.m. I'm aiming to arrive there by 11 in the morning. How cool is that? So then we could say I aim, you aim, they aim, it aims to be work. I aim that it will be working tomorrow. He aims, she aims. So we could say then, he aims to learn more German. Okay, she aims to learn more English. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So their aim to be the best teacher is big. It is a big aim of theirs. Yes, big goal, a big aim, something they're working towards. I aimed at you. I aimed at sending you a message in the post. I aimed for it to arrive by now. By now, yeah. I'm aiming for the gold prize. Yes. She is aiming for gold. Her aim is the gold prize. First place. His aim is. Not his aim is. His aim is first place. His aims are to live comfortably. Or his aims are to enter a lot of competitions. Yeah. How cool is that? His aims are to enter a lot of competitions. How cool is that, language explorers? Next time, aim for the biggest one. Aim for a bigger target. Aim for a bigger goal in life. Yeah, his aims are too small. Her aims are too few. Bigger goals, bigger aims. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Aim. Yeah. So to aim at something, to target something, yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So can you write aim in a sentence? And comment below with that sentence and like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Telegram and Facebook. Just search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.